normally, laborers is a kind of very important factor in doing a work and such kind of works in technicals or these kind of installation works. Fluctuation. If labor sometimes if they go to their own place or to their native place, sometimes they might not come back. How do you balance the labor problem?
We know generally at what time they go and they like. If I take Bihari workers, there is a after Diwali or Durga Puja, there is a period called Chhat Puja.
Chhat Puja.
That time when they go, they don't come back easily. We are prepared accordingly for that.
So you have a back team.
We have a mix up, and we know that during this period there will be some. Many times during this harvesting time, these people go back to their villages.
They'll do their harvesting also, and they'll come back again.
So all those things are there, but anyhow, still there is a lot of workers available. But she said skilled worker is a problem.
That's right. The skilled worker is a problem, and nowadays we can see that even UP or Bihar, every place is getting developed now. So when the development is made in their own states, obviously these kind of labours, yes. So such kind of situation will be a threat for your business.
But now our business now, if you see most of the new projects which are coming up here, coming up in eastern part of India.
Eastern part of India.
Because that is relatively less developed than the other parts. So most of the projects are coming in that area. But still, yes, you are right. Most people prefer staying back in their own state. Even if they get 50 rupees less, it is better to stay back there.
Correct. They prefer their hometown.
There will be a problem, but we are now planning to start a technician training institute.
Okay. So where you train people continuously. It is always better that you groom people always and keep as a backup team.
No, we require that because India has population but less skilled population.
That's correct. And these are the only lines that can flourish you to a bigger level, because a technical line and always the mechanical or engineering line is the best line, which has growth always. I mean 24/7 it has growth. And normally നമ്മൾ other industry ഒക്കെ എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ ഇപ്പോൾ BPO industry ഉണ്ട്, other IT industry ഉണ്ട്, it is always fluctuating.
Fluctuation happens here also, but because today we are in power industry, power is in always shortage in India. So everybody says for another 10-15 years this is going to be a boom industry. But then there are a lot of other
factors,
criteria which depend, external factors which depend, availability of funds.
Correct. There lies the very important factor.
Outside prices.
ഈ ബിസിനസ്സിൽ നോർമലി ഇത്രയും ലേബേഴ്സിനെ വെക്കുന്ന കാരണം കൊണ്ട് ലേബേഴ്സിന് വന്നിട്ട് ഈ സേഫ്റ്റി ഇത് പറഞ്ഞല്ലോ നിങ്ങൾ, ലൈക്ക് യു ഹാവ് ടു കെയർ അബൌട്ട് ദ സേഫ്റ്റി. വാട്ട് ആർ ദ സേഫ്റ്റി മെഷേഴ്സ് യു അണ്ടർടേക്ക് വെൻ യു ഗോ ഫോർ എ വർക്ക്?
Like first and foremost, we have started this awareness program about safety. We have this every day, this toolbox meeting before start of work.
Every day.
We spend 10-15 minutes
to groom the employees.
The importance of safety. We have this monthly safety awards for workers to encourage them to come out with this thing. When somebody because of their observance, they avoid some accidents. We have that way we have developed this thing. And of course by putting slogan posters and then there is other programs which we cover them, and we have to keep in touch because
otherwise they will
that,
listen and leave it in that. Yes.
We always feel it will happen to somebody else, not to us.
Yes, correct. And a small flaw can bear a life. അങ്ങനത്തെ ഒരു എന്താ പറയുക, അത്രയും വരെ റിസ്കി ജോബാണ്.
So we basically try to say it's a person's life you are playing more than the
job or the money you are giving.
It's a person's life, and he might be the only breadwinner in his house.
Correct. So ഇങ്ങനത്തെ ഒരു ഇത് ഒരു maybe as you think from the workers point of view, maybe they may neglect these kind of things. അവർക്ക് വന്നിട്ട് വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നതിൻ്റെ ഇടയിലാണ് ഇത്.
And ഇതിന്റെ importance they don't understand.
And experience.
It takes time because our culture is such that we require time to. But there is a lot of difference in last 10 years. There has been awareness has improved very.
Is there any bad experience like fatal accidents happened in your side?
Yes, we had that a few times. There has been some accidents.
I see.
Because of some negligence, in spite of having all this thing. But we learn with each.
So these kind of negligence will be put forward to other employees or other laborers when they come for the orientation classes and so.
Every time we do that.
ആൻഡ് ഇപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങളിപ്പോൾ ആൾമോസ്റ്റ് എത്ര ക്ലയൻസിനാണ് നിങ്ങൾ വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നത് അക്രോസ് ഇന്ത്യ?
As I said, we had about 17 projects going on.
റൈറ്റ് നോ?
Right now,
ഓക്കെ,
ongoing.
ഓൺഗോയിങ് പ്രോജക്ട്സ്.
No,
ഓക്കെ, ഇതിന് മുമ്പ് എത്ര പ്രോജക്ട്സ് ഫിനിഷ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്?
maybe more than about 100 and 200 projects.
അതിൽ ഏതാണ് ബിഗ് പ്രോജക്റ്റ്?
This, what we are doing now, these 600 megawatt units are the biggest. Because they
ദ
are
വൺ വിച്ച് ഇസ് കറൻ്റ്ലി ഓൺഗോയിങ്. ഓക്കെ, അതെവിടെയാണ് ആ 600 മെഗാവാട്ട്സ്
one
പ്രോജക്റ്റ്?
is in UP. We are doing for the Lanco group.
ഐ സി.
One is in Rajasthan. We are doing for BGR group.
സോ ഈ ഇൻഡസ്ട്രിയിൽ വരുന്ന മുമ്പ് ലൈക്ക് വേറെ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഇൻഡസ്ട്രിയിൽ വർക്ക് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടോ?
No, I worked after passing my engineering. I worked 2 years in Madras with a company who was into designing of waste heat boilers. Then I joined my father.
Which company was that in
That
Chennai?
was one Enmas Process Technologies,
I see.
Chennai based company,
Chennai based company. So you worked there as
in the design section.
design section. Okay. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഇങ്ങോട്ട്
Then
വന്നു.
I joined in 94 with my father.
Okay. How far do you rate your technological improvisation in your business?
There is lot to be done. We are still more labor oriented.
ലേബർ ഓറിയൻറ്റഡ്. ഇതിലിപ്പോൾ ഇങ്ങനത്തെ ജോബിൽ ഓട്ടോമേഷൻ ഒക്കെ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമോ? ഇസ് ഇറ്റ് പോസിബിൾ?
At site work, it is little difficult.
ദാറ്റ്സ് വാട്ട്. സോ അങ്ങനത്തെ ഒരു ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ സംസാരിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത് തന്നെ ആ ലേബർ പ്രോബ്ലംസ് വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ, അങ്ങനത്തെ ഒരു ത്രെട്ട് വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ, വാട്ട് വുഡ് ബി ദി അതർ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഓൾട്ടർനേറ്റീവ് സ്റ്റെപ്പ് യു വിൽ ടേക്ക്?
Like the shortage of
Labor, if at all a condition exists like that, what would be the other next alternative step to cover that?
See, we are already now starting where all we can do the mechanization.
Okay.
That is one process. Then we have to start the training. We are planning by next 2-3 months we should be in a position to start the training. Immediately there will be no solution.
Immediately there will be no solution. So
It has to, because the position will come after a few years. So we have to start working today.
correct.